Hey guys, so today I'm here, and if you guys have noticed, I'm wearing the same outfit that I am in my paranormal story times. If you haven't yet, definitely check them out. But I did want to update you guys and show you guys the few haul items I was waiting for, so without further ado, let's get into it. I picked this up from Ulta. It's the, I don't know if you'd say that, the Instant Dry Shampoo, and this is in the Sugarberry. Oops, I dropped something. And it smells so good. I have yet to try this yet to let you know about how it is with white cast and all that, because this red does not play when it comes to that. So hopefully it's good. It was on sale for like $4, so super good deal, but it smells so good, so I really hope it works really well. Next is two of the items from the Colourpop haul I was waiting for. I did pick up the Element of Surprise palette, and I'm so happy I did because it is so stunning. I actually don't think the pictures online do it justice. I'm not really sure even if my camera is doing it justice because of the lighting, but this is a beautiful palette. I think this is such a beautiful color scheme that it's like everyday neutral, but then a few pops where it's just enough pops where if you're a neutral lover but wanting to get out of that and have a little fun, it's perfect. So I really am happy that I purchased this, and I can't wait to play around with this more. I'll probably do some videos soon with this, so stay tuned for that. Next is one of the Supernova shadows. This is from the Astrology collection. This is in Astrology. But yeah, this is super pretty. It's like this really beautiful gold. I want the other shade Constellation, but they were sold out, so I will be hopefully picking that up. I really love the Supernova shadows, so really recommend these. So super pumped for this. These next two things are a little bit controversial, and I'm sorry if it offends you, so ahead of time, so I'm sorry. But I did get these from TJ Maxx because of the whole controversy with Kat Von D, which I'm not getting into. It's not my business, and that's all I'm sticking it to. But I've been wanting to try these, and they have them on sale for like $7 at TJ Maxx because everybody's like hating on her. So sorry, I bought two lipsticks. I got the shade Coven, which is this really unique, like, grayish muted lilac. I'm very excited to use this, and I love the black packaging and how it's studded. So cool. And Cathedral, and this is like a dark brownie nude. So gorgeous. Like, what? I think these are really pretty. I can't wait to try them. I think the packaging's uber cool. It did obviously come with the boxes. I have the boxes over there, but really cool packaging, and they got a decent bit of weight to them. But not too much, yeah. Like a decent bit of weight, but not too much weight. But they feel nice. I like the way they look. And hopefully they look good on. I have yet to try them. But yeah, those were my little goodies I bought. Hopefully that doesn't make you guys mad that I bought those. But you know what? I got to try them for a really good deal. So I'm not mad. And if you're wondering what I have on my lips right now, it's just some Huda Beauty. I got the lip pencil in Vixen with the the liquid lipstick in Famous. So really love Huda Beauty. This formula, I'm not too sure on this, a darker one. It is a little bit like weird, a little bit tacky compared to the some of the nude shades I have, but I'll keep you guys updated. I still think it's a beautiful shade, so I'm still gonna wear it. But thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe, and more videos will be out soon. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.